In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Jungle Scout Chrome extension. If you sell on Amazon or you're researching products, the Jungle Scout Chrome extension can save you time by putting key data right on the product pages you're already viewing. Let's install it together step by step so you're ready to use it with confidence. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. The extension is built specifically for Chrome, so make sure you're not in a different browser. Keeping Chrome up to date helps installations run smoothly, and closing extra tabs can speed things up, but you can proceed either way. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is Google's official marketplace for browser tools and a safe place to get extensions. If you don't have it bookmarked, simply navigate there as you normally would. Once you're in the store, you'll see a search bar at the top. That search bar is where we'll find exactly what we need. In the search field, type Jungle Scout extension and press enter. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official Jungle Scout extension. It should clearly show the Jungle Scout name, use the recognizable branding, and have a high number of users and reviews. Verifying that it's the official listing helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures you're getting the most secure, up-to-date version. When you've opened the official listing page, press the Add to Chrome button. You'll usually find it near the top right of the page. Chrome will display a brief message explaining what permissions the extension needs to run. These permissions allow the tool to work on pages you visit and display its features within your browser. To confirm, click Add Extension in the pop-up. Chrome will download the files and add the extension automatically. In just a moment, you should see a confirmation message that the extension has been added, and its icon may appear near the top of your browser window. That's it. The installation is complete. From here, you can leave the web store and continue browsing as usual. The Jungle Scout extension will be ready when you need it. You've successfully installed the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. If you don't see the icon right away, it's still installed and will appear when the extension is active on a compatible page. If you ever want to double check it's installed, open Chrome's extensions menu and you'll find it listed there. Enjoy exploring product insights right inside your browser, and thanks for watching.